अच्छा, इंडिया में रह के सलमान भाई, शाहरुख भाई से, इन लोगों से मिलना इतना मुश्किल है, आपने सीधा जैकी चैन को मिल लिया पाजी। सीरियसली बताना कैसे मिले आप? आपको कितने पैसे दिए आपने इस फिल्म में काम करने के लिए?
अभी तक दे रहा हूँ, जैसे आप 7,000 दोगे वो भी किस्त भरनी है मेरे को अभी।
नहीं, आपने इनको बता दिया था कि मैं कपिल शर्मा का दोस्त हूँ?
नहीं, मैंने उनको बताया, ये विश्वास ही नहीं किए। He didn't believe that I know you. He said, no, Kapil Sharma, how can you know? He's a big star.
Okay. हमारी डील हुई है कि एक दूसरे की तारीफ करनी है।
When I was telling him कि कपिल शर्मा, he said, no, वो फिरंगी वाला एक्टर ना, I know.
Yes, man.
पर भाई, to your answer कि आपने पूछा कि how I got to meet Jackie sir. तो 31 जनवरी को 2009 में मैंने एक इंटरव्यू दिया था, तो मैं थोड़ा सा sword fighting सीख रहा था, तो उन्होंने पूछा कि आप why are you learning this sword fighting? So I said, who knows, one day Jackie Chan might cast me in his movie. तो
I saw the paper. Yes.
So how did you think about Sonu sir? Even I am very fit.
If I know you, I won't hire him.
wow!
Are you happy?
I'm confused. Sir, actually, you know, after your line, I'm gonna increase my payment. You made me more popular.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming once again. Sir, have you ever watched our South Indian movies? Like, I mean, I am impressed, sir. हमारा बॉलीवुड में मुक्का आता है 45 सेकंड में, ऐसे लगता है. I mean, in Bollywood movies, punch is coming like this in high speed and hit him, and Gal is ऐसे doing and sweating out, and one single drop is watching. I mean, you can watch a single drop. And in your movies, 2 सेकंड में 40 मुक्कर 15 लाते मार के भाग जाते हैं. I mean, you in 2 seconds you hit 30 punches and 2 legs complementary, and you are gone. I mean, I don't know where is Jackie Chan. I mean, you are so fast, sir. Sir, try to watch sometimes South Indian movies. A hero, I mean, actor. गोली चलाने की कहते हैं English.
Fires a bullet.
He fires a bullet. Bullet is coming out from
Traveling.
pistol.
Yes.
And you can watch the bullet. After the trigger, I mean, bullet is out. After that, he will... I mean, after that, he will take his gun back and come... he will bring a knife from his another pant.
Bullet is still traveling.
Bullet is still traveling.
Okay.
And with the knife, he will throw a knife on bullet. Bullet cut into 4 pieces. Bullet cut into 4 pieces and 16 people dead. I don't know why. How?
So Kapil, you want to give him an idea that in next film he should try this action?
I think you can cut that bullet into 8 pieces.
Whatever your time, you can come to China or Hong Kong to train with me.
Sir, I don't want to die.
You don't die. You're dead.
You're doing...
Do you practice yoga?
I think martial art, Hapkido, karate, judo, yoga, all same basically. Martial art, you stay like this, and you sweating. It's like an exercise, but you can more faster. That is hitting people.
Sir, actually, you know what? I was expecting, I can expect anything. I'm a poor guy. I mean, I was expecting...
The poor guy who, how much tax you have? 15 crores tax. Poor guy.
I mean, from my brain, I'm very poor.
Yes, okay.
I was expecting that you will come from some terrace, and I was expecting.
Not high enough.
No.
That is Jackie Chan, man. You know, sir, we have very low budget. But for you, especially, we increased our budget. Sony Saab, we called our channel and asked them to give us a bicycle, sir.
It's a gift for me.
Yes, sir. No, sir, we are gonna use again.
You're gonna auction.
यस आई कैन। कौन है जिनको जैकी सर की ये साइकिल खरीदनी, बताओ अभी। मैक्सिमम पैसे बताओ किसके पास है।
और नए नोट चाहिए।
आप भाई साहब का कोट अच्छा, पैसे भी होंगे उनके पास। तो ही इज रेडी टू बाय योर साइकिल। यस
Yes,
हाउ
sir,
मच?
I'll buy.
10 lakhs मिनिमम।
सर 10 lakhs दूंगा सर।
10 लाख के ऊपर कोई?
सर कौन बढ़ाएगा, उससे ज्यादा मैं बढ़ाऊंगा।
पक्का?
पक्का।
हमने सोचा नहीं था वैसे, हम 10-20 हजार तक सोच रहे थे।
ओनली जैकी सर बैठे इसीलिए सर, क्योंकि इंडिया में सब भी उनको पसंद करते हैं।
आप काम क्या करते हैं सर?
मैं बैंगलोर से हूँ सर।
बैंगलोर से तो वहां पे पैसे पेड़ पे लगते हैं, मतलब काम
नहीं
क्या करते हैं?
सर, काम भी ऐसे करते हैं हम, प्रॉपर्टीज का काम करते हैं।
प्रॉपर्टी का काम करते हैं। ये साइकिल
सर।
आपकी हुई 10 लाख का चेक।
100% सर आपको दे रहा हूँ।
सर
Wow!
कांग्रेचुलेशन।
Then I paid 1 million for this cycle.
100% दे रहा हूँ सर। ये
So
मेरा
sweet
वादा
of
रहा
you.
सर।
आप so sweet of you.
बट साइकिल हमको देना
मैं वैसे ही, अगर आप, बहुत अच्छी बात है, ये आपका प्यार है जैकी सर के लिए, और हम ये 10 लाख रुपया जो है वो कैंसर पीड़ित बच्चों के लिए अभी से अब डोनेट करते हैं आपकी तरफ से ही है।
सर, ऑफ
Wow!
कोर्स,
यू आर डूइंग मैन।
course, sir.
Yes.
ऑफ कोर्स।
You're gonna buy it?
Yeah.
सर ही इज बाइंग दैट साइकिल।
I don't know how much, but I'm gonna sign it. The money all go to the charity.
यस सर।
यस सर।
Yeah. ऊपर आ।
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
जैकी सर, कैन वी हैव योर ऑटोग्राफ ऑन दिस साइकिल? ओके, दिस साइकिल इज योर।
Ten.
चेक हम आपसे बाद में ले लेंगे।
आ जाओ ऊपर।
भरोसा ना तोड़ना हमारा। So sweet. Thank you, Jackie sir.
Thank you.
क्या नाम बताया सर?
शेख फाजिल।
शेख फाजिल। शेख साहब बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और आपके मेहनत की कमाई हुई जो आपकी दौलत है वो किसी अच्छे काम में लगेगी। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शो में आने के लिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
थैंक यू शेख साहब, थैंक यू जैकी सर, थैंक यू सोनू बाजी।
You can have coffee also while talking.
Sir,
want some tea?
would you like to have some coffee, green tea?
No, I just see
China.
Chinese. No, I said, wow, Indian traditional teapot. Good, looks nice. China.
We wanted you to feel at home. That's why we kept some Chinese thing. Even he's made in China, couple.
रवीना, मेरे
हाँ,
प्यार का ये
वैसे शायरी मैंने सोनू के लिए लिखी थी, तुमने चांस ही नहीं दिया, मौका नहीं दिया, और ना उसने दिया, उसने जैकेट उतारा ही नहीं।
अरे प्लीज प्लीज।
नहीं, आई मीन शायरी 6 पैक के ऊपर है।
पर रवीना, आप जानती है मैंने आपसे शेयर भी किया हुआ है, जब मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करता था तो रवीना के पोस्टर्स मेरे रूम के अंदर लगे रहते थे, वो आपने पिक्चर इनको भेजी है वो। I had have posters in my room when I was studying in the college.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then इसी बात पे जैकेट उतार दो, पब्लिक को दिखा दो what you're made of. We want to see what you're made of. Soonu.
अच्छा है।
ओह!
चलो भाई। Thank you भाई।
Sir, have you heard about Baba Ramdev? Sir, we have something for you to show. Come, sir. सोनू भाई आओ।
Wow.
Whoa.
So we called a yoga teacher. Of course, not Baba Ramdev. So where is the yoga teacher? Yes, sir. He's gonna teach you something. आपको आता है ना? वो जैकी चैन है, हमारी बेइज्जती ना करवा देना, ठीक है? बाहर जाके चैन में बताएंगे, आप बताओ करके दिखाइए। अच्छा, आप तुम अंडरवेयर छुपा लो, अंडरवेयर ना दिखाओ। हाँ, he don't mix dal in rice. He ate rice, dal, and then mix. And khichdi.
I just want to say that.
शुक्रिया सर, कैसे हैं आप? बढ़िया, काफी दिनों बाद मुलाकात हुई। शुक्रिया जी, प्लीज।
I want to ask you some question. I know you produce a movie.
Ji.
You have so many shows,
जी,
right?
Right.
Did you ever thought you dream about it one day I come to your show?
I never thought, sir. इसका मतलब जैकी चैन भी मेरा शो देखते हैं. Superb, sir. I mean, I never thought, but no, when Sonu thought that one day I might work with Jackie Chan, then I thought, if he will do work, and I know him personally, I will tell him to bring you here, and he bring you here. Thank you so much for coming once again. Sir, as you said, you want to do romance,
Yes.
and we have beautiful Ravina Tandon here. I will play a very beautiful song for you. Ravina ma'am, आपको सिखाना आप देखो हमारी बॉलीवुड की आज नाक आपके हाथ में है. रवीना टंडन जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Actually, I love you.
You love me, sir. I love you too, sir. Thank you, Ravina ji. Thank you so much for this beautiful moment.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Jackie sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I come, sir. Jackie sir, you always do lot of dangerous action.
Yes.
कितनी हड्डियां? I mean, you must have broken all your bones.
Not all, but mostly.
Almost.
Yeah. From here, nose, cheek, teeth, shoulder, broken, and crack.
Oh my God.
Too many.
ये ही चीजें हैं जो क्योंकि हम सब इंसान हैं और वो इंटरनेशनल स्टार हैं. जैकी चैन क्यों हैं? बिकॉज वो अपने काम को पैशन के साथ करते हैं, डेडिकेशन के साथ करते हैं. और सर, वी रिस्पेक्ट यू, वी लव यू अ लॉट.
I was in Singapore, transit to Australia.
Okay.
Then I got a phone call in America after body check because every movie after body check.
Right.
So they'll get the blood, everything.
Oh, God.
Then the doctor come, Jackie, what are you eating? I said, what do you mean? Your blood type and your heart, everything perfect. What is your most eat every day? I said, red bean soup. Then he said, oh, no wonder. Continue to eat it. Your body is so good. Even when I was 32 in Yugoslavia, when I get a skull injured, I opened the skull, like a 4 or 5 hour operation. Then the doctor come out to tell my friends, don't worry, your friend's Superman.
Wow.
You are Superman, sir. Sir, that soup is available in India?
Yeah, I think.
Rajma ka soup.
अच्छा, राजमा?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, actually, me and Sonu are from Punjab state. We eat lot of rajma chawal, but you're talking
bean.
about red beans. But
Yes.
rajma makes
Good.
you strong and हमें तो गैस हो जाती. I mean,
Yes, I know, but it's good. It's good.
okay. तो अच्छी चीजें हैं, सीख लेनी चाहिए. Sir, as a common man, I just want to, I'm just curious to know that you are Jackie Chan. I mean, you need mixer, grinder, juicer, or you just keep the carrot in your hand and kachumar and juice? I mean, you are so strong.
Yes. That's in the movie.
I know it was a
I
stupid
just a
question.
normal human, but I just have a guts to do a lot of the things that normal people, they won't do it.
Sir, I mean, I just want to ask, I mean, your fans want to know how many total injuries you have. Do you remember?
I cannot remember. 3 times nose,
Oh my God.
shoulder. Too many. Too many.
And do you remember how many, good thing you have done on screen? I mean, kisses.
I want to do a kiss scene.
You want to do?
Yeah, more easier. But put in this way, of course, romantic drama is more easy. But action sequence makes me proud. Why? Because all those years when the audience look at the screen like this, go out the theater, wow, look at the Jackie, do the kick, the punch, the stunt, so good. I believe it, right? But if I'm doing a drama, kissing scene, I don't believe the audience come out the theater, look at the kissing, so good,
Yeah.
right?
Good, bro.
Then I said, okay, as long as I'm still feel I'm young, I will continue to action until I cannot do it, because you. Like a lot of people ask me, Jackie, why you continue to do this? Because that's my life. I've been doing it 56 years, every day, single day on the set. every day doing the things, action sequence. That, for me, it's so easy. For you, probably difficult. But you
much.
tell me to sit here to do the show. For me, it's difficult.
Sir, so sweet. I mean, I don't have words, but you are genius, sir.
You do the best you can. One day, you will get an Oscar. Yeah. Believe in yourself. Trust me. Believe in yourself. Like me, when I was young, if people say, Jackie, one day you will get an Oscar. You know? But I just concentrate. Even my box office, good. Box office, no good. Somebody go to see my movie. Some people don't like movie. Doesn't matter. Every day, single shot. In the movie, in the stage, on the set, I do my best. I can enrich my life for all those years. One day, I never go to the Oscar. Oscar come to me.
Wow.
Same thing. No matter what kind of job you are, you're the host. You do the best you can. You're not today to the host. Nobody listen to you. Okay, tomorrow you change your cameraman. Okay, you doesn't good. You go to change your soundman. You do nothing. Stay where you are. Like you, like the audience. I think everybody have your own job. Stay your own job. One day, your dream success.
Wow.
यही चीजें होती हैं बड़े लोगों से सीखने वाली. Sir, you will not believe actually. I was talking to my team yesterday. So I told them, what if I will get an Oscar? I mean, I can get. We all are human beings. If we will give our 100%, we will give our best. Yes. So we can get. Sir, you are so inspirational. I mean, thank you so much for coming. सोनू भाई इनसे पूछो अगर नहीं ले आ पाए हम ऑस्कर तो हमें अपना वाला दे देंगे.
You have to put in a. Oh. No.
Hurt.
तू आ गया मेरा जग्गू आ गया मुझे तेरा इंतजार था.
नानी तू ना अपनी रेंज के हिसाब से इंतजार किया. अगर नल में पानी आया कि नहीं आया, मच्छर मारने वाले आया कि नहीं. तू जैकी साहब के सपने काम से ले रही तू.
बिजनेस प्लान है, तू चुप कर, बीच में मत बोला कर. और कैसा है मेरा पुत्र?
मैं ठीक हूँ ना, नहीं ठीक.
जीतता रहे. कुछ बचा नहीं, नारियल से काम चला. My God! Ni hao ma.
Oh, hao, ni hao, namaste.
Ni hao, वही पकड़ते रहे ना बीच में. You like my healthy organic praise?
Yes.
Yeah.
अभी क्या कर रही हैं आप? इधर क्या करने आई हैं?
मैं इनके लिए बिजनेस लेकर आई हूँ. तू बीच में ज्यादा बोला मत कर. Listen, no company there give you insurance.
Yes.
Yeah, because everywhere break. Don't worry, my company will give you insurance.
तुम्हारी कंपनी?
हाँ.
What company?
कोई नो कंपनी. मेरे नाना के साथ भी इनकी कंपनी नहीं बनी. कौन सी कंपनी खोल ली आपने? Do you have?
हाँ ठीक है. ये पैसे देगा उससे कंपनी भी खुल जाएगी ना. तू चुप कर और तू अप्लाई मत करना. मुझे सीरियस लोग चाहिए. You don't listen to him. He is villa. I tell you. Okay. You know, I've got lovely plan for you.
Okay.
आपके लिए मेरे पास है टकाटक बीमा योजना. See, this policy is for you. You one time give me under table 50 lakh rupees, invest in this. My company after 18 years, when you're ripe for marriage, will give you 5 times more.
He's already married, I told you.
Yeah, then do affair, na? My company will help you in affair also. I'll do the needful.
He don't need your insurance. He's very strong. Okay,
No,
now.
I know he's strong, but you do stunt, so you need insurance. I'll give you. जब देखो तो बेचारे लगे रहते हैं यूं करते.
I'll recommend, Nani. I'll recommend.
ये लॉक हो गया. कोई खोलो. It is locked here. Please open me.
Sir, you have to kick her. Sir, you have to kick her. Yeah.
Sir, don't worry. She's not original she. She's he.
He's a he.
She's a he.
Too old.
No, thank you for opening my
Bones.
Block.
Majagada.
That's worse.
Okay, thank you and so nice meeting you. Okay, I go.
Thank you.
लग गई भाई.